Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best metallic bathing suit on the market. The Century Star Women Tie-Side Bottom Padded Top Triangle Bikini String Bathing Suit. If you're looking for a swimsuit that blends style, comfort, and a hint of glam, this might just be the one for you. The first thing that stands out about this bikini set is its striking metallic champagne gold color that immediately catches the eye. Made from a blend of 82% polyamide and 18% elastane, the fabric promises a soft, breathable feel with enough stretch to move comfortably whether you're lounging poolside or taking a dip. The material also dries quickly, which is always a plus for swimwear. Design-wise, this two-piece features a classic triangle top with padded cups that offer subtle lift and support. The halter neckties at the back and neck allow you to adjust the fit for maximum comfort and security. What makes this suit especially appealing is the tie-side bottoms. These adjustable ties ensure you can customize the fit to your body shape while adding a flirty, playful touch to the overall look. Both top and bottom are fully lined, enhancing comfort and durability while keeping the suit skin-friendly. This bikini is designed to flatter various body types by accentuating curves without compromising coverage. The bottoms provide good coverage and the thicker material gives a substantial feel, so you don't have to worry about it feeling flimsy or see-through when wet. The padded top enhances shape and offers modesty, but the pads can be removed if you prefer a more natural look. The Century Star swimsuit isn't just about aesthetics, it's versatile enough for multiple occasions. Whether you're heading to a beach party, enjoying a summer vacation, spending time at a hot spring bath, or simply relaxing by the pool, this bikini is crafted to keep you looking chic and feeling confident. Overall, the combination of quality materials, thoughtful design, and the shimmering metallic finish make this bikini set a fantastic choice for anyone wanting to make a statement with their swimwear. It's both fashionable and functional, providing an excellent balance between trendy style and everyday comfort. So if you're after a metallic bathing suit that's flattering, adjustable, and comfortable, the Century Star Women Tie-Side Bottom Padded Top Triangle Bikini is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights. See you next time.